The public safety landscape is becoming increasingly complex. As our society evolves into an IP-based environment, every network and system impacts the entire emergency response process, requiring constant oversight. Continuity is critical. An unplanned network, IT, and 911 outages require precious time to recover from. To make matters worse, IT responsibilities continue to build upon the shoulders of public safety agencies, while their vendor maintenance agreements increase in complexity and cost. Simply put, public safety agencies need reliable alternatives to traditional monitoring and maintenance while maintaining fiscal responsibility and control. This is where mission-critical partners can help. Our approach to providing mission-critical network and IT support services helps to take the burden off public safety and IT managers and helps them gain holistic oversight. We offer capabilities to act as your dedicated and third-party partner for proactive maintenance. In fact, our integrated lineup of IT and network support services gives agencies greater confidence that their infrastructure and related systems are running smoothly, with proactive monitoring designed to mitigate risks and outages, while realizing the greatest value from their maintenance contracts. Did we mention that these can be customized to best fit your agency's needs? Tailored with public safety's unique needs in mind, our service managers and Network Operations Center can help to offset a lot of your IT responsibility. From network discoveries and assessments to proactive monitoring and cybersecurity, our goal is to provide you better visibility into your network. Let's take a look at all that our IT support services provide. Gain greater visibility into your network's health. Our Netinform assessments provide critically needed information regarding the current status, connectivity, and health of your network and IT infrastructure. MCP's proactive network management services, or NetPulse monitoring services, alleviate the time burden placed on your IT staff. We can either complement your skill sets or take full responsibility of your day-to-day network operations while helping you gain accurate and actionable data with our ongoing reporting and analytics. Our expertise helps agencies strengthen their cybersecurity defenses, provide essential intelligence to reduce threats and disruptions, or provide confidence with 24/7 monitoring. We act as an extension of your team. MCP is a vendor-neutral partner that helps control costs and drive vendor service excellence. Today's increasingly complex era of public safety can make life difficult for managers, but it doesn't have to be. By utilizing MCP's vendor-neutral approach to public safety managed services, you will be well on your way to gaining greater transparency and control of your entire network across its lifecycle. Want to learn more? Our team of experts is here to help, because the mission matters.